Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are doing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. So we're going to be writing down our budget, working with the amount that I made on my paycheck, and we're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. So if that interests you, keep watching. And before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you are doing the cash envelope system. Are you doing the sinking fund system? Are you just spending your money just whatever you want to buy? Let me know how you are doing your budget and let me know how you're doing this week on your money. And make sure you go and hit that notification bell because every time I post videos, you will be notified that I upload. So you can be the first person to watch the video and comment what you think about it. All right, so we are using the Erin Condren planner. It is the 7.9 planner, and I will have a link down below if you would like to purchase your very own planner. If you are a happy planner instead of Erin Condren planner, by all means, go and get you a happy planner. They are 70% off right now and at Michael's, so go and check that out if that interests you. All right, so paycheck number one, we made $1,359. Now, my goal for this year is to have at least $1,300 every paycheck. Last year, it would go up $1,100, it will go up to $1,200 and then $1,300. So our consistency should be $1,300 this year. So that is my goal. All right, so I made an extra $59. All right, from right here, $359. My estimated was $1,300. Actual was $1,359. So I had a $59 increase of what I predicted. All right, so these are going to be what we are putting in for our bills. So our bill is $280 for rent. I split the rent. It's usually like $580 or something like that, and then I split it with my fiance, so that's why it's like so cheap every other paycheck. All right, car is $250, so I pay $498 a month on car, and it's very expensive, I know. Let's see, $50 for insurance. I usually pay $100. Insurance or phone is $50. Insurance is $74. I usually pay $135. Credit card is roughly about $80, so I'm going to put $40. Light usually runs about $80, so we're going to put we're going to put $25. Gym is $17, which is roughly about $35 also. MediaCom is $17, roughly $35. And then loan is $64, and that's usually $127. All right, so I should actually put it on this column, but it's fine. All right, so rent, everything that I put a T, that means I transferred it to my savings account because they usually are due at the end of the month, and then check mark means that I already paid for it. All right, so rent is going to get transfer, cars transfer, phone is paid, insurance transfer, credit transfer, light transfer, gym transfer, MediaCom is paid, and then loan is transferred. All right, so that is our bills, and we are actually going to total that out for just a second. Let me get my calculator. All right, so our bills, let me see, $280 plus $250 plus $50 plus $74 plus $40 plus $25 plus $17 plus $17 plus $64 equals $817 is how much we spent or have to spend on bills, which sucks. I wish I had that free money just floating around. So $1,359 minus $817 is going to equals to $542 is how much we have. All right, so before we skip to our stuffing our cash envelopes, I'm just going to run it through with y'all real quick. So groceries is going to be $100. Gas is $60. Fund money is $60. And the cushion will be $102. And then sinking funds will do that at the end. All right, so we are going to subtract that. 100 minus 60 minus 60 minus 102. Oh, no. Let's say plus 102 because I'm not taking that out. So 322 is 102. So that's going to be 220 is how much I have left. 220 is how much I have left for sinking funds, but I am only going to take out $180, and I will explain that to y'all in a minute also. All right, so let's get to stuffing our video. So I'm going to zoom y'all out real quick, and we're going to get my cash envelope from Dave Ramsey. All right, so we are going to do $100. Gas will be $60. 40 and 60. Fund money will be $60. 240, 60. Cushion's going to be 102. And then out to eat will not get anything. Bless Jared for paying for my food every single time that we go out. All right, so that is our weekly check-in. All right, we're going to flip to our sinking funds, you guys. All right, the reason why that I'm only taking out 180 is because I am paying for Netflix and all my subscriptions coming out of that. So I just left $20 in there. And then I think it's Netflix, and then I'm going to use some of it for Transfer Tuesday and all that stuff. So that is where some of the $20, the $30 is actually going to go through. Or $40. Is it $40? Yeah, because I'm doing 180. Yeah, $40. All right, before we do the sinking funds is right here. This cash right here is from the leftover of my cash envelope. So we're going to count it. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So $32 is how much I had left for my cash envelopes. And a reminder, that is like groceries, gas, cushion, out to eat, all that stuff. So this $10 is going to go be put set aside for Transfer Tuesday and the 52-week challenge. So I will have cash whenever I do my Transfer Tuesdays. All right, and then 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 is how much we're going to put towards. The 5s are going to go towards vacation, and then the wedding will go the dollar bills will go towards the wedding. So I'm just going to set that aside right here so y'all can look at it. All right, college is going to get $20. Vacation is 5, 10, 15. So $15 is how much is going to be put in there. Medical will have $20. Car maintenance is going to have $0. Christmas will have $0. Black Friday will have $0. Wedding is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. $7. Now, the only reason why I'm not filling up car maintenance, Christmas, I'm not filling up a lot of it, is because I have a bachelorette trip this weekend. So most of the majority of the money is going to go towards the special occasion, fund money, and my cushion, because I'll need money to like eat, help with gas, anything like that. So that's what I plan on doing. All right, special occasion is going to get $140. And then beauty, tag, and gifts will have $0. We're not going to do that. We are still going to count. Don't worry, you guys. All right, so I have my money set up. Then we're going to get our cash envelopes going. Now, if you are new, the way that we do it is we fill out how much we're going to put in. I show y'all or stuff it and everything, and then we count it and put the total. So I love counting it. A lot of people do love counting it. So that is what we are going to do. All right, so first off, we are going to be doing college. So college is going to get $20. Let's see. 1, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 120, 25. 125. All right. All right, vacation is going to get the $5 bills from my cash envelopes. 10, 15. 1, 50, 60, 70, 90, 95, 200, 5 and 10, so $210. Let me make sure that's right. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, did I mess that up? Oh my gosh. 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So it's only $200. Glad I saw that. So it's only $200. All right. Car maintenance is not getting anything, but as always, we are going to count it. 50, that's 100, 2, 40, 60, 80. So 180. Oh, and we missed medical. Let's see. Medical is actually in my purse that I forgot to get, so we will do that last. Christmas is not going to get anything, but we will count it. 20, 40, and 50. Black Friday. Now this does have gift cards. If you're new, I do the Target gift cards. So I did switch it out. So I have a $10, 20, 40, 50, and 60. Wedding is going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Big envelope, because there's going to be lots of money that's going to get stuffed in here. 100, 2, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So $222. It's growing, you guys. All right, special occasion is going to get $140. 50. 50, 20, 40. I think I messed up. Did I mess up, you guys? I probably did. All right, 100, 10, 20, 30, and 40. No, I did not mess up. You guys, it is not my day. Never try to work an 8-hour shift and then film. Not the best idea. All right. 1, 2, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. Let's try it again before I mess it up, you guys. 1, 2, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. So 191. All right, Beauty will not get anything, but we will count it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Renewals, tags, certifications, all of that good stuff. 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. $43. And then gifts will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and then all we need to do is the medical, and we will be good. All right, medical is going to get $20, 10, 15, and 20. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we have $45. All right, you guys. So we're just going to roughly go over it real quick, put our total, flip to our weekly check-in, and then put the total there, and then end the video. All right, college, we have a total of $125. Vacation, $200. Medical, $45. Car maintenance, $180. Christmas, $50. Black Friday, $60. Wedding, $222. Special occasion, $191. Beauty, $15. Tag, $43. And gifts are $5. So we are going to add everything up. So 125 plus 200 plus 45 plus 180 plus 50 plus 60 plus 222 plus 191 plus 15 plus 43 and plus 5 will equals to $1,136. So we have $1,136 in our sinking funds. All right, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. These are my absolutely favorite videos to film because I love stuffing my envelopes. I love watching people stuff their envelopes, and the ASMR like sound of counting money is like amazing, you guys. I don't know, I'm just weird. Let me know if you're weird with me. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. Be sure to subscribe down below and comment how you are doing on your sinking funds or your paycheck in general. And let me know if you have a channel, because I would be more than willing to go and subscribe to your channel, get to know you guys, and support you any way I can. And yeah, so I will see you guys later, and have a great weekend. Bye.